Okay, we're cooking again today. Gotta make it old ribeye. Look here. First thing you want to do to prepare it, make it dry. As dry as possible. You know what I like to put on mine? Salt, pepper. And some garlic powder. And some onion powder. Get it real nice, good, and coat it. That's this side. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Alright, now that you have it coated, turn your grill on. I'm gonna do it like halfway, 3/4. Then I'll show y'all when I put it on the grill. Alright boys, grill is hot. Just put it on. Now I'm gonna do about 3 minutes on each side. About 3 minutes on each side. Then I'll show y'all when I flip it. Alright guys, for my side, I'm gonna steam a little broccoli. What I just use salt and pepper. Then I put a little water in it and cover it up and put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes, 45 seconds. And you'll have you some wonderful broccoli. Alright boys, get on some flip action. Probably flip it again. Let that cook for a little bit. So yeah, probably flip it again. Let it cook. Then show y'all the final product. Boys, there it is. It's more than done. There's my broccoli. Boys, we gotta get old milk. Hey, I'm gonna try it out after it rests, and I'll let y'all know what I rate it, 1 to 10. So y'all stay tuned. What is up, guys? Hey, I give the steak 7 out of 10. Not the best steak I ever cooked, but it ain't bad for a simple, easy way to cook it. It's better over a charcoal grill, so I recommend using charcoal. But it was still pretty good. And hey, tomorrow's vlog is gonna be awesome. So hey, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends, dog. Cause hey, daily content. We'll see you boys tomorrow.